So they are doing so well. Those are doing so well. There will be 10 weeks in one day. Until this time, yeah, there will be 10 weeks old. Like yesterday, I know you guys were following us when we first posted them, when we first brought them in. Look at them. Yeah, look at them, yeah. There are over 5,000 beds here. Over 5,000. Almost like 5,500 beds. They're doing so well. Soon they'll be getting to the cage. We put them in cage in, let's say, in about a month and a half. They'll be going to the cage. We cage them by 16 weeks. So now they are 10 weeks old. So another 6 weeks, we'll be putting them in the cage. The cage they are here, waiting for the installer to come and start doing his work. The installer will start work soon, so we'll put the cage in order. Set them up, then we'll put them in the cage. Yeah, everything is going well, so the building, we just finished getting the building ready, so very soon that is the building down there. Soon we'll put them in the cage. Yeah, we'll put them in the cage soon. They're very active, nice, active, nice.